Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. Today we are making roast potatoes. Now this is an essential roast dinner item. Now this will be another really quick video. All you will need for this is 1 kilo of roasting potatoes like Maris Piper, 100 grams of oil or fat, you can use duck or goose fat for a better flavour, 2 teaspoons of flour and some nice quality salt of your choice. Now, at the moment, I'm on the hype train for flaky salt, so flaky salt is my go-to salt. Now to start, place your oil in a roasting pan and heat it in the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. While that is heating, you'll need to peel and cut your potatoes into 4 to 6 even-sized chunks and bring to a boil in a large pan, and then once it's at a boil, let boil for 2 to 3 minutes until a knife can pierce easily. Once boiled, drain your potatoes in a colander and shake slightly just to rough up the edges so you don't have fully defined edges. This will help the potatoes crisp in the oven, and then sprinkle over some flour. Now this once again is like batter, it will crisp up really nice in the oil. Now carefully add your potatoes to the hot oil, watching out for any splashing oil, and then return to the oven for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, remove from the oven and flip your potatoes over, allowing to brown on a different side. Once again, return to the oven for 15 minutes. Then remove and turn and place back in the oven for a further 10 to 20 minutes. Now this is the final 10 to 20 minutes is the last baking part, so make sure they're nice and golden before removing. Then simply remove from the oil, sprinkle with your favourite salt and serve. Now once again, really quick video. We will be doing something different on Monday. I think we're looking at the actual roast chicken on Monday. Oh, spoopy. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you all again next time.